Assuming you want to create a halftone effect in CorelDRAW, first thing you'll do something like this. So the first thing you'll do is to draw a rectangle or a square. I'll go with a rectangle. So rectangle tool, use a hold down with Control key to make it a square. So give it the fill. It's like split. Click on color. So this is what I want. I don't want outline. I split this. Move the outline. Then I'll come to transparency tool. Under this place, this floating transparency. I'll click on it. I'll change it to radial, elliptical, or radial, depending on the color I'm using. To come like this, to come like this. The next thing I'll do, I'll change the tool to pick tool. The next thing I'll do, come to effects menu on the menu bar. Then you click on the last, which is pointillizer. We have different variety. By default, it will be cycle. If I make it square, make it custom. So let me use cycle. Most times, people usually become cycle. So this one, I want to use cycle. Then click on apply. So just leave the settings the way they are. Then click apply to generate. Can you see it? This side works. Can you see it? Something like that. I don't want this anymore. So for more of these videos, subscribe. Meet me in the video.